And right now we go outside, a live look right here. Rock City, Lookout Mountain. You can see right there a bit of hazy or cloudy out there. Some flags blowing in the breeze there. David Glenn right now to tell us all the things to expect coming up this weekend. Hello, sir.
Yeah, those March winds continue to blow, but this time coming in from the south, it's still dry. Those dew points are very low in that 20-degree range. So with the dry air and the breeze, that fire danger remains high. Temperature currently at 64, a good bit higher than this time yesterday. And we started this morning, as we mentioned last night, many areas away from the city will be at or below freezing. That was definitely the case. 20s both north and to the south, well below the average of 40. Will all be above freezing tonight. Temperatures currently for most in the 60s with 50s off to the north. The southerly breeze brings temperatures just a little bit above average compared to yesterday. We're running 10 to 13 degrees higher. Similar temperatures tomorrow. Wind gusts at times between 15 and around 25 miles an hour, especially at higher elevations. It'll relax a little bit tonight, but still be breezy during the day tomorrow. Lots of clouds are in place. A lot of that showing up on the radar, hardly reaching the ground because the air is so dry. And our current weather maker has high pressure anchored over Florida, pushing in that southerly wind in advance of this first weather maker. It's not a big rain maker, but it's one that's going to provide more clouds overnight and provide a wind shift tomorrow. The one weather maker that could provide us some rain during the weekend, this one back to the south and west, is going to dip down to the south and pass south of us Sunday, providing showers. And since we'll be north of that system, a little bit cooler of a day on Sunday. So we go through the overnight hours, and this is during the pre-dawn hours. Some patchy areas of light rain or drizzle could move on by overnight, after midnight, and before sunrise. By sunrise, it's going to be cloudy. Temperatures upper 40s, low 50s, but the rest of your Saturday, really not too bad. A mix of clouds and sun overall. High temperatures upper 50s, low 60s, maybe a degree or two lower than today, and a steady breeze in the northwest. Then it's overnight tomorrow night. That system passes by south of us, so overnight Saturday night through the pre-dawn hours of Sunday, a few light showers move in, and we'll keep an eye from west to east as these off-and-on showers move by during the morning and again into the afternoon. So it's going to be a cloudy, cool day on Sunday. Highs in the 50s with that breeze coming back in for the north. And again, from the afternoon into the evening, some off-and-on showers continue. They'll stick around through very early Monday, then kind of rotate away. So Monday may start with clouds early, then clearing out the rest of the day. Overall rainfall amounts are not all that heavy, but could impact some of your outdoor plans on Sunday. Before tomorrow, into those sprinkles overnight, they'll be ending prior to sunrise, so a cloudy, cool start. High temperatures with a breeze in the upper 50s and low 60s through the afternoon. Want to point out again what we're going to be watching for, not this weekend, but next weekend has the potential for some heavy rain. It shows that up in the 6 to 10 day temperature or precipitation outlook, but also the National Weather Service has outlined the weekend of the 15th and 16th, that chance locally and across the region for a high chance of heavy rainfall. So we'll be tracking that in the week ahead. Don't forget also we spring forward 2 a.m. Sunday morning. It'll be a cool Sunday, periodically some showers at times, but we dry out to start next week. Highs back in the 70s. Some showers are back Wednesday night and Thursday morning.
All right, David Glenn, thanks so much.